Good day everyone. Today we are going to make chop suey. To create our dish, this is our ingredients. First is the cabbage, the boiled eggs, the chicken, carrots, and our garlic. This is what our finished product look like. Cabbage and carrots provide high levels of dietary fiber, which is crucial for promoting healthy digestion, regularity, and sustained feeling of fullness. Carrots supplies beta-carotene, converted to vitamin A, for excellent vision and immune function. While cabbage is rich in vitamin C and K for immune support and healthy blood clotting. Both vegetables are packed with antioxidants that help combat cellular damage and inflammation throughout the body. Next is boiled egg and chicken. Both chicken and boiled eggs are sources of a complete, high-quality protein providing all the essential amino acids necessary for the growth and repair of muscle tissues. Eating this protein-rich food helps promote satiety, assisting with appetite control and overall weight management. Eggs specifically offer essential nutrients like choline, which is vital for brain health and neurological function. Lastly, to complete our Pinggan Pinoy meal is the rice. Rice is the body's primary source of easily accessible carbohydrates, which are quickly converted into glucose to fuel the brain and provide energy for physical activity. It acts as a necessary staple to ensure you meet your daily energy requirements in a highly digestible form. Depending on the type, it can also contribute important B vitamins necessary for efficient energy metabolism.